We are currently in a motorway services, doing the first of our 11 stops, because Sachin likes to break every 20 minutes for his back. Sachin, how do you feel about 20 minutes of driving for 10 minutes of breaks all the way down to Cornwall?
Well, first off, your facts are incorrect, Sam. We've been driving for an hour and 40 minutes. Stop.
Is that the longest you've ever driven?
And I think you need to respect the driver.
Would you say Sachin's the most inefficient driver you've ever shared a car
He
with?
might be, to be fair. It says on the sat nav we've got 2 hours or so to go.
So that means
6
4.
p.m.
Any parting comments about your
I
back?
just think you're mean.
En route to Exeter, the hustle never stops. Thoughts on the cathedral?
It's better than Cardiff.
Better than Cardiff, you agree with that, Sachin?
I can't remember what Cardiff Cathedral was like.
That probably tells you everything you need to know.
Oh, that's a nice little cathedral, isn't it? It's quite.
Where's that place that me and you and James went to?
York.
What's York?
We did York and Leeds.
It was York.
It was York. Thoughts on the castle, Sachin?
This isn't it.
You said there was a castle.
Yes, there. It's right past that. Castle.
We have a castle at home. The castle at home.
I don't think that's a castle, I'm going to be honest with you, Sachin.
Right.
You lured me in with a castle. That's besides the point.
But is it? But that's what it says. Don't hit.
If it looks like a castle, it quacks like a castle.
Exactly, and that doesn't quack like a castle at all. Doesn't even look like a castle. Oh, what were you reading, Sachin?
Sorry.
Caught. Back from the bookshop. So I got a book on Churchill and a book on the Tudors. Sachin bought his book.
I didn't buy any books, Sam.
You already read it.
Thoughts on Exeter, Sachin?
Bit dead. It's not much going on, really.
Damo?
Yeah, it's a bit of a. Yeah, I'm glad we didn't go out of our way to come here, and it's.
Yeah, we only drove 5 hours.
Yeah, but it's on the way to somewhere we're going anyway. So
Yeah.
It's not that bad.
Yeah, so I'm pretty similar. It's not very lively, not very big, doesn't seem like there's loads to do. Feel like we completed it in about an hour. But fortunately, Star Wars has come to save the day. They are doing a screening of The Phantom Menace for the 25th anniversary since its release. And we're all going to go to that, aren't we, Damo?
Oh yeah, very, very excited for that. Sachin not so much.
I'm not going.
Yeah. Oh, fuck off. Why?
Why do you do this? Right, cinema done. How did we rate it, Damo?
Best part of Exeter.
Yeah, genuinely was,
We
unfortunately.
wasted our 20s for the rest of it, didn't we?
Yeah, hoping for a sequel, but who knows.
Who knows what?
Now off to try our first. Have you had Popeyes before?
I've had it at the Metro Centre.
Once, right?
Yeah.
Off to try my first Popeyes and Damien's second.
Yeah.
Hello. You've just great to see you. You've just joined us for Sam's Popeye eating experience.
It's not now. I think we've captured the essence of the moment.
Oh, I don't know. What do you think, Damien?
I've been here once before. Like, not this specific one, obviously.
No.
But it was pretty
Alright.
decent.
Thoughts on my Airbnb game, Sachin?
Yeah, fine. Decent.
Includes breakfast. None of yours ever do.
We didn't know including breakfast till about 5 minutes ago.
Yeah, but it did. So our plan is we're going to do the tunnels and then we're going to get in the car and head straight to Plymouth because I think it's fair to say we feel like we've completed Exeter after that.
Yeah, I feel like our 20s have been stolen from us in Exeter.
Right, so next stop will be the tunnels and then Plymouth. Oh yeah.
Pretty good.
Here we are.
Welcome to the channel.
Loving the energy.
A guest star on the show.
Oh yeah, this will be some
Absolutely.
use. Thoughts on Exeter, Gavin?
Say again?
Thoughts on Exeter?
Oh well, I'm loving it a lot more than some of the people on the trip who have been very negative. But you know, great community spirit. They're doing like an abseil, very Alan Partridge, North Norfolk radio, probably to fix the roof of the church or something like that. I've had a lovely walk around really. I think the cathedral's closed, the museum's completely under construction, and I think I've basically seen Exeter at this point.
Oh, so you do kind of agree with what we said?
I think today, yeah, the tunnels will be good.
Yes.
I'm bullish on the tunnels.
But then you're ready to head to Plymouth.
We'll see what John says. I'll follow what John says.
So we were thinking there's a nice coffee shop over
Well,
there,
I want a
overlooking.
coffee. I want a coffee. Have you seen the tasteful art around here?
No, we've not been
It's
down that bit yet.
appreciating the female form.
Oh well, no one appreciates it more than Damo.
And I thought, Damien would love this on his wall. In your bedroom, what do you think?
Maybe.
Don't blush, don't blush.
Kind of put me on the spot a bit, but there you go.
Oh, yeah.
Like a slow pan. Oh yeah.
Progression. Yeah. I don't know what that is.
Even a ghost cyclist.
But it's crutch. There we go. That's a bit better.
It's actually a bit tight, Damo. You'll be pleased.
Hello.
Okay, ready to go.
We have of the passages. These stones were put in here in about the 1340s. Priced a bit over the years. Instead of going to some nice shop doors, you'd have made your way to a manhole cover in the pavement.
What was more Gothic?
Right, so the tunnels are done. A very good time was had by all, except probably the tour guide, who had what I would consider a low capacity for banter. But fortunately we had very high capacity, so we were able to entertain ourselves. I think if you're in Exeter, I'd do it. Would I come to Exeter to do it? Probably not. So I've had a nice little day, had a nice time in Exeter. Don't think I'd come back. Sachin, why don't you tell us what you got up to this morning?
So had a lovely breakfast with these guys, and then went to the gym, went and trained. Just absolutely loving training at the minute, so just wanted to get an extra session in.
You won't see it on this video, but his chest is looking bigger. You may notice it, but you know, when he takes his top off, oh, maybe we'll catch him on the beach with the top off. But you'll,
Surprised he can drive because like he should be obstructing his view. But,
yeah, big pectoral muscles. The steroids have obviously helped, but mainly it's hard work, isn't it, Sachin?
99% steroids, 1% hard work. That's
what,
my motto.
Have you took the drone out?
Yeah, I took the drone out. So when we went to the gym and then had a quick look at the Exeter City Chiefs stadium. Then I went to a place called Topsham, which is about 10-15 minutes from the gym, and then took the drone out. Got some drone footage. Really nice, actually, really beautiful day. Nice little estuary, some boats and stuff like that. So yeah, it was really nice.
Didn't half drone on a bit there.
Oh yes.
First thoughts on Plymouth, Gavin?
Very nice. Look at this beautiful view. Really nice clear blue waters as well. Very vibrant, and looks like we've got a path that goes all the way along it. So depends how you feel. I know how you are about walking, so
We'll be driving.
you're a negative. Yeah, okay.
An anti-walker.
You're welcome to a
He is
lift.
a firm anti-walker. I've never seen someone so hostile.
You're welcome to a lift.
Oh, I'd love a lift. Thank you very much. Because
It's a video.
And she's usually with F3 diabolical. So we're getting worse here on here. Defenders of the Isle against Napoleon's elephants.
I don't think he fought in Plymouth, did he?
No, he was captured and he was brought back here.
Okay.
So there were what were called Napoleon.
Was that the first time or the second when he went to St Helena?
The second.
I want to know what this. Yeah.
So when would you move here potentially? Would it be next year?
Next
Would it be this
October.
year? Right. This is what did for GoPro.
Well, not. I think the drones dropping out of the air didn't help.
This is a competitor that didn't drop out of the air.
You can barely see that.
Come on, guys.
Oh, off she goes.
But there is actually a bit of speed.
So-
yes, it's the 300th anniversary of the first sighting of the Spanish Armada from the coast. So they saw it here, and this is to commemorate the 300th anniversary. I think you've got drinks.
Why do they commemorate the sighting instead of us
Well, I think
beating
they
them?
wanted to make a statue for the Armada, and they were just like, let's.
Portsmouth is where, well, the English.
Oh, so this is their claim.
I think so.
Ah.
So you've got a lovely Drake medallion. Oh, really? But you do have about that.
Oh my god, there's opportunity about.
Morning all. Plymouth is. I'll get to you, Gavin. Thank you.
He's very impatient, isn't he?
Speak when spoken to.
Like a stepfather.
Evie's still working on that. So, Plymouth is done. Only had one, well, afternoon really, and evening in Plymouth. Really liked it. Very pretty, as you'll see. Very good atmosphere. Would definitely be keen to come back. Gavin, I know you're keen to share your thoughts on Plymouth.
Oh, loved Plymouth. We were in the Barbican Quarter. Felt really lively. It felt like you were going back in time 10 years to, you know, the high point of nightlife culture. Fantastic. Great chat, great friends. But we've got a big day ahead today as well. So who knows? Today might top Plymouth.
What's on the agenda for today?
We are going to the Eden Project. We're going to learn about greenhouse gases, how to save the environment, and see some lovely plants along the way. Can't wait.
There's no planet B, as you always
There
say.
is no planet B. We've only got one planet. We need to look after it.
Look after your planet, and your planet will look after you. That's what I always say.
Planet Earth is grumpy, Alice.
Anything to add, Damien?
Yeah, it was just a shame that the rival YouTube channel couldn't make it to the evening out last night, but it was a good evening. Quite enjoyed Plymouth. Would be quite happy to come back again.
Next stop will be Eden Project.